Hi there, this is Gabriela with another Morning Robot video. Okay, let's talk about the best diagrams for 2022. These are the last ones, are giving a lot of good results, and I'm gonna explain you how we are using it, how the big clients are using these diagrams and giving a lot good results. Okay, I'm going to use part of what I was talking about GB, Google Business Profile, so sorry, strategy for Google Trip Pack. Okay, one of the things I do also is create posts at least 2 or 3 times per week. Some people just tune in for one per week, another one per month. Difference. This is not something you say. No, this is the best way to do it. A lot of way to do it. Um, every people do it in their own way. Okay, if you see this one is just 10 hours ago, and this one, the last one or the before that one is from the 15th, and this one, another one for the same one, and then March 3rd. That means it's maybe one every 10 days or something like that. Okay, yes, today's 25th, and means it's about every 10 days. But like I told you, everyone have their own strategy. I like to have 1 or 3 per week. Okay, let's back to um, the way to do this. Okay, what I did is I grab the URL from the last four posts, and what I do is grab this one, usually for the week, or in this case you can do it for the month, or just one per campaign. In this case I don't do it like that. I don't do it one per campaign. Okay, copy. Go here, let's close here, open a new campaign. In here we're gonna do the post, the URL. Our money site is gonna be the post from the Google Business Profile, and the keywords are gonna use the main one. Okay, because the plumber is one of the main category on any plumber business. Okay, and then you can say Atlanta plumber services, Atlanta plumber repair. Gabby, why you always use a Atlanta, on your keywords? In this case, 3 different keywords with the same city. Because this is a local SEO, and with when we're talking about local SEO, I'm gonna use always city plus keyword, or keyword plus city, comma, the state. Okay, let's create the article with these 3 keywords, and then in the meantime is working on it. I will going to use one of these. The way people are using this is from each diagram uses like 4 to 5 times, and for the same keyword. Means simple. I have 3 or 4 keywords I would like to work with. Okay, and in this case, I'm going to work with first with the plumber, Atlanta plumber. Okay, I'll take this one, going to create my the category. If you don't have it, create it. If you have it, just still going to create under that category. Why? The way I use it personally, if I use one diagram, the first diagram, don't worry, I'm gonna put this on the description area. Okay, the first diagram, I'm gonna use one, creating new accounts. Then the same diagram, I will use maybe two or three times, reusing that category or account. Then, when I finish with these three, four, I will do the same thing with the next diagram. In this case, this one. Okay? And I'm going to do this thing, the same thing, all over again until I finish until this one. Man, I go here. First of all, going to do this one. I love this one. I think it's beautiful. Okay? And I'm going to create first one. Means what I do is I usually let's plumber hose. Okay? One. Why I used one? Because I'm gonna use three on here, three on here, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, time three. That means 24. Okay, that means when I get on 24, I know it's done. Okay, for that keyword, for this keyword. When I finish the 24 campaigns, I will start with another one, like Atlanta plumber services, maybe, or any of the keyword I would like to run. Okay. Really, really important is to have um, the keywords inside of the post also. Usually, I don't see here they use it, but I do it. Okay. Other thing is grab here, share, go to embed, copy here, and add it here. Every time I'm gonna work with local SEO, I'm going to work with Google My Business now, no, like Google Business Profile. I do this. I grab the iframe map and add it to the article. After, of course, you need to add it after the article is created. Okay. Then I usually add here the map with the website. And sometimes I add here also the CID. One moment. Let's see, because this is supposed to have it here. It's not reading. Okay, here. Copiar, copy. I can put it also here. I believe, and I definitely do it and work really good, is to add the CID of our business profile. Okay, and this is the way I do it. And then we're gonna reuse two times. Then we go to the next one. I think. Let me check. Gonna be social. It doesn't matter the You can do maybe this one first and then go back here. I do it like this because that way I keep order, and that way I don't miss anyone. But I trust me, you can do whatever you want, definitely. Let me see, like this one, I like this one too. Okay, pyramid ranking. I don't know if I have it here. Yeah, here. You see, work the same way with the same keyword. When I done with this 24, okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with another main keyword. Maybe I'm gonna use the same keyword to create the article, but I'm gonna start working with this account, with this category. Why 24 times? Because this is not going directly to the money side, and that's why I push a little more, at least 20 campaigns, like I do with videos, 20 campaigns at least to see definitely a good results. Okay, I hope this helped you. Let me know if you have any question. You can write it on the comment area, and please see you on the next time. Bye.